And
Okay. By the way, are you doing well? I hope you are doing well.
yes, I am. I'm doing fantastic. And first
Okay.
of all,
Actually, I am
could you
unable
please
to see
help
my
me pronouncing
picture.
your name?
Okay, definitely. Why not? Just a minute.
Yeah, me
Uh,
too.
okay. Actually, it's my
Yeah.
first time I am using this application that is Skype, and I don't know details about this application. I am unable to see my picture here, over my laptop screen.
Okay, thank you. And it's my pleasure to have you for the first time as well. Yeah.
Okay, by the way, I can hear you and I can see you, but my picture is unable to see myself on my laptop screen.
Yeah, yeah, me too. I can see myself on my phone too. Yeah, yeah.
By the way, let me introduce you. Okay, my name is Tumeshwar Sahu. You can pronounce Tumeshwar, and my nickname Swaraj. You can tell me Swaraj, and I am
Suraj
Swaraj.
means
Nickname
sun in Hindi. Suraj.
Swaraj means independence. Swaraj in Hindi.
Okay, Swaraj. Okay,
Yes, yes. Self-independence, the meaning of this name. Okay.
okay.
By
Please
the
go
way,
ahead.
okay. And I am pursuing graduation in second year. Along with, I have started my UPSC preparation, and I am basically from Kalahandi district, state of Odisha. And as you know, I am still working on improving my pronunciation or my communication skills. That's why my preparation is going on at snail space, I can say. Okay, by
Okay,
the way,
that's
please
great.
introduce yourself. I would like you to introduce yourself.
As you know, I am Pradeep. I am from Andhra Pradesh, and I am also doing my graduation in the Department of Civil Engineering. And coming to my hobbies, I love to read books, watch movies, and listening to music. And yeah, I also watch, content related to English on YouTube. Yeah, these are my
Okay,
major hobbies.
as you said, brother, you are in third year of your graduation or second year?
Yes, yes, I
Third year.
am third year. I'm in third year now.
It's 3 years course or 4 years?
BTech, 4 years course.
4 years. Okay, okay.
What about yours, bro? Is it a degree or are you
It's
doing an
degree.
BTech?
No, no,
Okay.
no. Under graduation, BSc. I have chemistry honors.
Okay, that's great. Wow.
Yes. So I have watched a lot of times your videos and from YouTube because
Thank you.
uh,
Thank you so
okay, it's my pleasure. And you also these days you are uploading, I think, short videos.
much.
I
Yes,
think yes, yes, and you are doing well because you know the more you practice, the better you will gain fluency in English language. So practice
yes,
makes man perfect. That's
yes, you're absolutely right. And yeah, and
and okay, carry on, carry on.
yeah, what is your hobbies? Uh,
Okay, when it comes to my hobbies, I am interested in yoga and meditation. Actually, yes, I used to play cricket when I was in 12th, but these days I get leisure time once in a blue moon, very hardly. So
yeah, I can understand
these days I
because
have
of the
I have
UPSC preparation along with
with
the
graduation,
studies.
yes,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
that's
yeah.
why. Okay. Actually,
Okay.
one thing I like basically your attitude and your simple nature. From your YouTube videos, I have seen like your tab. I can say your pagdi. It is called what is pagdi or your towel, like you
Okay, yeah,
round
yeah.
round.
It's
Yes, round on head.
kurta. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I like. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's my pleasure. Okay. By the way, these days, are you taking clapping session?
No, my Clappingo subscription has ended
Uh,
2 months ago, I think. Yeah. And
mhm.
just having the conversations with the people that are who are approaching me to have a conversation with them, and yeah, it is helping for me to improve my English.
Definitely, not only you, but also that person, like me. Right now,
Yeah.
we are having conversation.
Yes.
Yes.
And and why do you want to be an IAS officer? Or you want to, yeah, civil servant? Yeah, like I am curious to ask this question actually.
Yes,
Please go.
yes, why not? Definitely, why not? Okay, first thing is that, okay, first thing I would like to mention over here, that is civil services provides a unique platform, I can say. The first thing I would like to mention that it gives immense job satisfaction, to be honest. Okay. And
Okay.
second thing I would like to mention that is if you get a chance of decision making, then you can contribute to your country in a properly.
Yes,
That's why I want to be an IAS officer actually.
that's fantastic. And who is your inspiration to choose this to choose this option to choose the UPSC?
Yes. Uh, if you ask me about my inspiration, then there is no as such person that I have got inspiration from them. Yes, absolutely, I can say. But yes, I can say, brother, actually, when I pass out 12th, at that moment, to
Okay.
be honest, I secured only and only 60%. To be honest, okay, I'm gonna reveal everything. Okay, and
Grading is not in that important.
yes,
Yeah, please go ahead.
and at that moment actually I had been humiliated by a lot of persons, and I didn't used to mobile or smartphone at that moment as well. But when I entered my first year of graduation, then I started using mobile phone, smartphone, and I came to know about there is UPSC, IAS, IPS, something like this. And I started and because you have to set your goal. If you want to be a successful person, then you have to set your goal. It is your 50% of your success, I can say, because it's one of the itself, it's a biggest task to of any person, I can say, to choose any
Yes,
goal. Because
yes,
people think that yes, I am studying, it means I can do any job. There is there no destination, it means you can't do anything. But suppose if you are belongs to a small family, or if you don't have a good financial condition as well, it doesn't mean that you can't dream of big, you can't see your big dream. You have to see your big dream, you have to set your big dream, and you have to do hard work in order to achieve your goal. I'm right.
yes, yes. You're right. Absolutely. And yeah, how are you managing the preparation of UPSC and your classes and studies of graduation as well? Yeah, it
Yes,
is so.
it's
Yeah, it will take more patience, and yeah, we have to be manage the time. I don't know. Yeah, how are you managing? Please tell us.
it's hard not to crack actually, I can say. It's a little bit difficult because in order to maintain everything with aplomb, I can say, your preparation or your difficulties, you have to work a little, you have to reach your time of working, you have to reach. So I can say you can manage if you have good positive thoughts, and if you really want to be a successful person in anything, in any situation, then you can manage everything. I believe myself like this, because
Yes,
suppose I'm going to tell you live example. I have watched your YouTube videos, and you it means roaming here and there, and also you shoot your videos because you really
yes,
want to be a good or fluent English speaker. You don't want
yes,
to waste your time. That's why
yes,
you can able to manage your time. Am I right?
yes.
Similarly,
You are
me as
absolutely,
well.
absolutely right.
Yes.
That. And yeah, UPSC is one of the toughest examinations in India, and it has a vast syllabus. And I have seen in Google, yeah, this time. And after you said the UPSC, and its cracking rate is 0.1% only. Oh my God, that yeah, it's the toughest examination.
Yes, definitely. You can say it's one of the toughest examination of our country. But point is why we have to understand from this point why it is called toughest examination, because it is top competitive among I can say nearly 10 lakh aspirants. That's why it is called toughest examination. But everyone is not serious about this examination. You can find nearly, as far as I know and I believe, you can find only 10,000 aspirants that they are really serious about this UPSC examination, and they really want to be IS or IPS officer. So you don't have to see you don't have to see the whole status. You just have to start your preparation wherever you are. It doesn't matter.
That's
You
fantastic.
don't have
And
to think your difficulties level. Oh my God, I am preparing this examination. What if I get fail, or what if I not able to crack this examination? You don't have to think. It means before starting your preparation, you just have to raise your positive thoughts. I believe this. Then
yes, you
sooner
just
or
have to be prepared for the worst too. Right.
later
Preparing for,
you will get succeeded, or you will be
yeah,
succeeded.
yes, it may get multiple attempts to crack it, and yeah, or
Yeah,
it will take just
it
one attempt
all
if you
depends upon
seriously.
us.
Yes, you
All up to us, I can say. And
are
by
you
the
taking
way,
any? Yeah,
sorry,
please
sir.
go ahead.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
you are
So
asking something.
I want to know from you that what's your goal actually? What's your particular goal? Do you have any particular goal?
Yeah, that is the toughest question in actually. Yeah, I,
Okay.
actually, I don't really have any big goals, but to this time, I have a short-term goal that I just want to be fluent in English by the end of this year. Yeah,
Okay, it means you have targeted, you have decided that I will be fluent in English language by the end of this year. Yes, it's
yeah,
good, I can say. But yeah, you have to set your career goal actually. It's not your career
yes,
goal. Yes, you just want to be a fluent English speaker because, as you know, English is nothing but it's a medium of communication, I can say.
communication. Yes, yes,
So,
you're right.
so
Yeah,
yeah, so it's all about communication, or you can have a conversation with abroad people if you know English language. So you have to choose, or you have to set your particular goal. Actually, I can say.
yes, you're absolutely right. Yeah,
Yeah.
and after that, I just want to get a job in my field and yeah, support my family.
Okay,
That's
it
it.
means
Yeah, I will after graduation.
after graduation you don't wanna study anymore.
No, no. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I just want to be
You just want
take
to
a job.
get into in any fields, in any government examination, or in any
Yes,
government sectors.
yes, you're right.
Okay, that's
Uh, are you taking any coaching classes along with your
no.
graduation, or you are self preparing? Yeah, self.
No, I'm not taking any coaching class. Actually, I believe, yes, if you are taking coaching, then it would be better for you. But coaching all about guidance. You just get guidance from them, but all up to you, 90% up to you. You have to do yourself hard work in order to achieve your goal. You have to make your own strategy. You have to make your right strategy, and also you have to do hard work along with your smart work. Am I right?
Yes, you're right. And yeah, I have seen some videos of UPSC crackers on YouTube, and
Mhm.
everyone says that start with the NCRT basics. So, have you completed your
Yes.
NCRT?
I can say I am going to complete my NCRTs. I'm about to
Okay.
complete my NCRT. Not yet.
Oh my God, that's I like your confidence, and I like that you believe in yourself. Yeah,
Yes,
you
actually,
you are
thank you so much. Thank you so much, first of all. And also, I would like to mention over here that is one more thing. Your belief system, as you said, belief system. Suppose if you are doing even a small work, and if you have belief system over that, then you must be a successful person in your future. But your belief system matters. Suppose if you are doing 24 into 7, but you don't have belief system, then you can't be a successful person, or you will not be succeeded. It's my own experience when I was
yeah
in plus two. At that moment, actually, I used to do a lot of hard work, but I didn't have a good belief system. That's why I don't want to mention that again.
yeah. I have read a quote too. Believe in yourself is the first step to
Yes, success, I can say. And also, I think one thing, uh, I forgot that word actually, exact word. I forgot. Okay, let it be.
yeah. And what else? And yeah, do you have anything to ask
So,
me?
yes, definitely. Why not? Yes. So, have you ever been to Odisha?
No, I don't. I haven't traveled more. Yeah, I just stay in my home and yeah, I don't have more touring knowledge. Yeah, tour knowledge actually. I haven't been anywhere else. Just my home, college, my home, college. That's it.
Okay, actually, I think
And
you are studying. You are actually you live at village. Am I right? You live
yes,
you live
I'm in a
at
village.
and also okay for due to pandemic situation you are at village these days.
Yes, yes. Because
Uh,
of the pandemic, we were sent to our homes.
By the way, I live at village. I'm not a city person.
Okay, we are a village guys. Yeah.
Yes, definitely.
Nice meeting you. Yeah.
hmm And right now I'm at village actually. So, could you tell me what are the things are you doing for improving your communication skills apart from doing this?
Yeah, I always try to, including, I always try to get the input of the language by listening to the music, by every means, like by listening to music, by watching movies, by reading books. Yeah, I always try to put myself in the English environment. Yeah, by
Okay,
uh,
definitely, definitely. You
Yes,
have to make.
when I'm eating, I'll put the English channel and watch the English news or English movies. Yeah, and
That,
I when I'm walking, I love to listening to the English podcast. Yeah, these are the things I do to improve my English. Yeah,
Definitely, I really appreciate it because in order to be a good or fluent English speaker, you have to practice on a daily basis. Suppose if you are practicing, I can say 12 hours a day, but in the next day, if you are not even able to practice 1 hour, then you can't
we'll
be.
lose our grip. Yes, you're
Yes.
absolutely correct.
Yes, you are doing good, and I hope, as you said, you are also used to watching English related news like NDTV, RSTV. Yes,
Yes,
that's good. It will be, but everything takes time. We don't have to worry about this as well. Actually, to be honest, if I talk about me, I don't have good accent or pronunciation skills. You might have noticed, or you are. So yes, I don't have, worry about that. But as and when you practice, you will be. I believe it.
yes.
And also, yes, I just keep on doing like this.
Yes, you're right, and your English seems good, and you just have to work on your pronunciation. That
Pronunciation, I know very well. Yes, yes.
and yeah, there is no worries about that. You just have to practice more, and while reading, if you read out loud with the good pronunciation, and you will definitely
Yes,
overcome that,
I
and
am
you will be a
going.
fluent
Uh,
speaker with a
yes,
good
I am
pronunciation.
working on that these days. I have been told by a lot of tutors as well. You have to work on pronunciation. But I think if I see my earlier time or I can say my past, then at
Yeah,
that moment I didn't have even a good pronunciation, good
now,
pronunciation. But
but now you are very good. You're
I yes, I think these days I am able to not very good, able to speak a little bit, but I think I will be good.
Yes, you are definitely.
Yes, thank you so much.
So
So so
what else?
and when are you going to your college?
I don't know. We don't have any official information yet, but I think in the next month because we have to give our examinations. We have to give our uh, yeah yeah examination.
Okay, okay. It means you are in
Last semester examinations.
last semester.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. That's your best of luck for your final semester.
Thank you so much.
Okay, it's
And
my pleasure.
okay, then shall we wrap up our conversation for now?
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
You. Yes, we can actually. One thing I would like to mention here. Suppose if you wanna be a fluent English speaker, you don't have to only and only have. Actually, first of all, let me tell. I have also created one YouTube channel, and I have started my YouTube channel not for the sake of raising my subscriber, not for the sake of earning money. I have started in order to raise my confidence level, in order to have conversation time and again, and I can upload so that I can see my weakness point. I can recognize and I can resolve in my future. That's why I have started. So here I would like to tell you, suppose if you are having conversation with different people or different I can say person, then you can't reach your communication skills, because I have watched that just people call and how are you, where are you from, and how is your preparation going on, like this. It means the same kind of conversation. Then how will you improve? You have to
Yes.
choose one topic and you have to have conversation time and again, and you have to change your topic. Then you can reach your communication skills. I believe this.
Yes, I can understand you, and you're right too. And I started my YouTube channel just to see myself and just to see the progress in myself
Yes,
from the past to now. Yeah,
yes,
what are the changes I have yeah, gone through in my language? Yeah,
yes, definitely. Thank you so
yeah.
much.
Thank you for your suggestion. Yeah, from now on, I
Okay,
will
thank you
come
so
up
much.
with a topic to talk
Yes,
on.
yeah, we'll have in another time by selecting one good topic, and or I can say one debate.
Yes.
Okay, because we have contact number actually, we can contact. Okay, thank you so much for joining me as well. Okay,
Thank you for your valuable time, and it's pleasure meeting you. And I have a wonderful conversation with you, I would say.
okay, it was a great conversation with you as well. Have a great day and see you in the next episode if it is possible. Till then, take care. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Yeah, ditto. Bye.